Los Angeles and take a look at this old apartment building. But better yet, take a look at this old elevator in the old apartment building. It's my first Llewellyn. Wow. Look at this, it's got a solid inner door. Look at this cap. Oh my God. This is beautiful. Last night in LA, truly found a gem here. All right, down to one. Here at one. There's the interlock right there. Or not the interlock, the door switch. All right, up to four. Not really. All right. All right, quick down to three. All right, and back up to four. Whew. Single speed. 2,000 pounds capacity. That is amazing. Get to ride an original Llewellyn.